Stanley Bottom subscriber, I can't remember your name. He asked me to film it. So we're coming towards the bottom of Rickettshire Lane, if you remember. That place on the right there. I used to work there in the 60s. No, 16. So this is the viaduct. You remember viaduct at bottom of Rickettshire Lane? That's where we are now. And there's Rickettshire Lane there on the right. Got this silly little roundabout at bottom now. And on the left is Ainsworth Mill. That I was telling you about. I'll show you it as we drive by it.
Just do a quick whiz round if you want.
It's okay. This is Ainsworth Mill there, look. Down there. Little cottages actually in Ainsworth Mill. And there's these here. These are lovely. These little cottages here. In that dead end there.
Yeah.
They're really cute. I reckon these were part of people who worked at Mill a bit. Lived in these. In, old days. So this is just going to turn round. Lovely they are. They've all been done up the same, I bet they're all owned by same. There's the mill. See the mill behind that fence. Still operating. Carrying on now towards the Pavilion Cinema. Do you remember the Pavilion Cinema? Well, into cinema now, like. We're heading towards there. Watch it. So you don't turn left at this one, Tracy. See the building there, look, where that car wash was. There's a Lidl on the right now. There's a left turn here now. This is where we are. This is where you thought it was, Tracy?
Yeah.
So there's my van there, look. So Clayton's is there. There's the van there. And there's Clayton's. Oh, they've put it out of the road, haven't they?
I'll just turn round.
And that's all, the old S&W cartons where I worked. No, Miles. Best Buy Miles. Haulage firm. They've gone out of existence now. That was the Best Buy Miles. Miles Transport. So there you are. Hi folks. Well, these places sure do put you through it, I must admit. We've arrived here at Skipsea Sands. And they put me on pitch 44, but there were ruts. That many, well, it's been boggy. It's a lovely day today and it's drying up nicely, but people have been stuck on these, getting off of these sites, and it's only the width of a pavement of grass to get onto the site, but it's grass and there's massive deep ruts. There's no way I was going to go onto that pitch that they allocated to me. So I found a pitch that I could get onto and put it on it. But I've had to go back down to the reception and walk down to tell them. So they had to check up, make sure nobody else were booked on it, but the ones. So we're all right. So we've got on a pitch that I'm confident I'll get off of. And sometime we're going to have some lunch, and then we'll investigate the park, and I'll show you what we find. So, okay, I'll see you later. All right. Well, this is where we are. This picture that I'm on is not too bad at all. It's just, you can just see where my wheels were when I was going onto it there. But it's not as bad as some of them. This got some stepping stones and all. So here we are, folks. Well, it's 4 o'clock, so I'm going to have to upload this video of what we've got so far. So I'll show you the site tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Okay, this site is called Skipsea Sands. It's a Park Dean holiday resort, Park Dean site. It's £36 for 3 nights with a hookup. Very cheap. We're on hard standing, but there's a patch of grass in between the road and the hard standings, which is just like a mud bath. But it's all dried up now. But my bit here that I've got on a pitch that's all right. But others down here, down this road, terrible. Absolutely terrible. So anyway, I'll upload this and I'll show you around. I'll show you the site tomorrow's video. See you later. Bye.